Welcome to Universal Kids Camp. I'm Adrian Martinez. Let's study in English together.
Welcome back. We're using Robotify, Robotiblocky inputs. Okay, this is the third video. No more batteries. Yes. Here, let's see, we have a drone. There's Axel. And we have a toolbox. The drone's shining a red light. He is not ready. We have to take the toolbox, bring it to the drone, and it'll change to green. So let's change that drone's light to green. So first, look at this. The code is done for us. There's a mistake. Can you see the mistake? Yes. Go forward 3 times. Let's try it. Yay! We did it! Okay, next one's coded for us as well. We have to find the mistake. So let's take a look. Move forward 3. That's okay. Turn right. Ooh, here we go. We need to go forward, then backward. That should do it. Yes, looks like we got it. We have the coding done for us. But it says repeat 2 times, yet we have 4 drones. So I'm just going to quickly change this to 4. That should do it. Yep, we got it. Nice job. Now look at this. One thing to do is check the steps. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Oh! Turn right. Is it right? No. We gotta turn left. So let me change both of these to left, and we're done. Oh, it was not enough. Okay, let's change this to 4. And try again. And we're done. Alright. We just gotta fix the code. So forward, right. Looks like it's 3 forwards. Ooh. And then backwards. So that was wrong. So after I do that, I gotta repeat this 3 times. Let's try that. Yep, looks like we got it. Good job. Alright, happy robot. Okay, going on to number 11. Ooh, so we have to go around. We gotta finish the code. So the code was started right, forward, left. Then we want to go forward 4 times. Let's turn left. And then forward 2 times. I can duplicate this. Duplicate means copy. And 2 times. Let's try that. And we got it. Okay, we'll finish all the way to 15, going on to 12. Ooh, this looks fun. Forward, right, forward, left. Okay, we just need a loop. And so how many drones? 3. So change it to 3. Easy. Those loops are a lot of fun. And we did it. Happy robot. Okay, let's take a look here. Got 3 boxes. We got this. Okay, first we should finish the code for 1, and then we should move on. So let's point axle up. So we go left, move forward 2, 1, 2, turn left, go forward 2, turn left. Okay, what we want to do is get to the first drone, and then we can repeat. So we're going to go forward 1, turn left, and then forward 2, and we're facing up. So that's it. So we got to go forward 1, left, forward 2. So let's try that. Forward 1, left, forward 2. Now I can repeat this. How many drones? 3. Repeat 3 times. Let's try. We got the first toolbox, and we got the first location, drone. There we go, we got it. And we got a happy robot. Okay. Ooh, no code. So we have to do this from 0. Oh, this looks easy. Remember, count the steps first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just need to repeat, and we got to do a full box. So we got to repeat 4 times. We change this one to a 5, and then we turn right after. Let's go. We got it. Alright, last one. Okay, ooh, interesting. Okay, we're gonna take our time on this one. Well, again, we have no code, and let's count the steps first. So all I'm going to do is count the steps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can use a repeat loop here. So right, forward 3. Let's do that. Maybe 3 times? I'm not sure. Let's take a look first. Okay, so we want to turn right, move forward 3, and I think we're going to repeat that 3 times. Let's check. Right, forward 3, right, forward 3, right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. We did it. Next, we're going to go left. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. Wow. So we copy this. We want to change this to 2, but we're going left. That was easy. Let's try it. repeating our first loop. Good. Third time. Now we go left. Wow, that was fast. This is fun. Loops in loops. A lot of fun. Very cool. We did it. Fantastic. Now we have Robotiblocky inputs too. We'll go ahead and wait for that for the next one. I hope you had fun. I enjoyed it. And we got a happy robot. See you next time.